So let's just gently clean that off a little. Yep, definitely an A. What a nice little piece of history. So I just picked up an old sewing machine on Facebook. It was one of those barn finds. It was literally out in a barn. I don't know what brand it is. It's not Singer, but you know, I don't really care. I like that pattern in the back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the drawers and top off and use it for something. What I liked was, you know, all these little appliques that are on there. The laminate is definitely coming off on the top and on the sides here, so that's why I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. If I can't salvage the top, I'm at least going to salvage the drawers and the attachment here. One of the cool things is in the drawers, well, all right, I'm going to have to wait till I get it flat. I'll show you what's all in the drawers though. And this, usually these are just wood, but this is metal, which I'm surprised. It's very rusty, but let's see what the drawers have in them. Man, them things are heavy. So yeah, the top is, you know, a little bit worn and the laminate is starting to come off, but it still has the machine in it. So I'll try and save whatever I can, but let me show you what's in these drawers. It's so cool. This is just that little top drawer right here. Look at this. These are all little wooden containers with needles. And there's still some needles in them. Wow, that's really neat. All different sizes, I assume. So those are in there. And then just some assorted goodies. You know what I'm not seeing in here is a mouse nest, which I'm really happy for. Oh, let's see what's in the Band-Aid box. Clips. This one, I'm not sure what all this is. Chuck, I don't know if you're still in business or not. And then this drawer here, more goodies, more goodies. But this is the drawer I really like. Look at that. Here's the original attachment box. This old black tin thing. Look at all them. It even has that velvet lining in it yet. Wow. It's a lot of history right there. And then there's also another attachment. Little zigzag attachment. Oh yeah. It's in there too. That's still pretty cool. But there were lots of hours spent on here making lots of pretty things. I'll have to look up the model number, see what kind it is. I guess it would have said right here, but that's all wore off. See what kind it is and about how old it is. That'd be interesting. I don't think anything turns anymore, but not surprised. Oh, that turns. Let's see if I can get the back side cleaned off. I think it's Minnesota. I don't want to rub too hard. There's one mystery solved. See if I can find anything on it. So I did find some information out. It looks like it's a 1905 model sold by Sears on Roebuck for $19.35. And then I found some pictures online of one that was already restored. So, gosh, that makes me almost wonder if I want to restore it now. Look at that oak under there. So if you had this, what would you make out of it? There's lots of different things you can. You can use it for like a bathroom sink, use it for a little desk, just use the base for something. I've seen lots of different ideas, so love to hear what yours are.